Good morning. Today I have a very exciting event to go to. There is a mask, Pilates and matcha event I'm gonna go to. It's in Surrey Hills. So let's go. Also, I'm not gonna bring my microphone today, so hopefully the sound's not too bad. It's super bright today. At least it's good weather because yesterday it was pouring down super hard. Now I have to walk 20 minutes through Surrey Hills. I guess one of the things that, just a small pet peeve, is when things are located in Surrey Hills or like Paddington, Woolloomooloo. There's no easy public transport to there. Coconut matcha. Second one. I got the signature iced matcha latte. Back from the Matcha Pilates event. It was super good. The matcha was super delicious. It was fun to do a mask in a place that's other than my own home. Pilates was a good stretch. I mean, I'm gonna feel it tomorrow, but that's a good thing. But yeah, the event ended around 3. I had 2 matchas, which were really delicious. I had their signature, which is the iced matcha latte, and then I also had the matcha coconut, which is really delicious and refreshing, especially today because it was super humid. Now I got home, showered, got my makeup on, got dressed, and going out to meet with friends. It's flying. welcome back to the vlog. Today, got some cool things going on. The weather's so nice. It's been storming for the past few days.
I'm not good at taking pictures, so I just random snap. This one doesn't have its top. No.
You want it? No, I think I'm really good. Bye. Where did you pick up?
Water at night. Also made tea in my kettle.
Nice way. If this is feeling good, we can try and raise one arm at a time, extending that arm out in front and placing it back down on the mat. So extending one arm out, placing it back down. Beautiful work. Trying to maintain that nice palm and back down on the mat. So exhale, lift one hand up to your shoulder. Inhale, tapping back down. We're trying to keep our hips nice and still, and we're just bringing that hand up to our shoulders each time. Nice way. Can you try and maintain that nice plank position? So keep those hips in straight.
Oh, cool.
Thank you, sir.
Well, what happened for Moonrise Kingdom was that I drew everyone's name in the beginning of the film.
It's empty.